Crunchified Clean friends. I want to share you a little dusting tip. So you know how on your nightstand you have maybe a ring and some hand lotion and, I don't know, medicine and some knickknacks, loose change or rosary, things that you need on your bedside table, right? Well, when you have to dust it, it makes it kind of hard to dust because you got all these little knickknacks that you have to kind of move around. Sometimes it may fall behind the dresser. Sometimes it may fall under the bed. Sometimes it may fall into the bed. Sometimes you may vacuum it up accidentally. Here's a little tip. Get rid of all the little cluttered knickknacks and put it in a cute little box. Doesn't have to be this big, but whatever size you like, whatever type of box you like, and then put it on your nightstand or any kind of piece of furniture that you have knickknacks that you need handy, but you don't want to lose it. Because it makes cleaning so much easier when you don't have all this loose stuff to move around. And then when you do have to dust it, you just wipe it right off. And you're not losing anything because everything is in a nice, cute little box. So that's my tip for dusting. Now go see your mother. Peace. Thanks for checking out my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, comment below. Or if you have any questions, comment below. I would love to hear from you and love to share more eco-oily cleaning tips. So don't forget, like, subscribe, love, share, follow along. I'm on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Clapper, and YouTube, and my website, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. See you soon. Stay crunchified clean. Peace.